Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Acadia Limited all-wheel drive, stock number Z9767A. 42,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Acadia brand new, Iridium Metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Acadia seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, and with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Heads on the road, large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control and heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space and the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Acadia, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.